Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to update PUBG Mobile. Keeping PUBG Mobile updated ensures you have access to the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. To update the game, start by closing PUBG Mobile and opening the Google Play Store or App Store. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store and search for PUBG Mobile. If an update is available, tap Update. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Once completed, open the game and allow any in-game updates to load. Your game is now up to date and ready to play. And that's it. We just learned how to update PUBG Mobile using the Play Store, App Store, and in-game updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.